Inyo na!
Okay, siyempre, ito muna ang ating magandang stewardess Zaida!
Bago uniform, ha?
In gold! Oh, sa mga gold members, ayan po.
Parang umakyat na siya ng class.
Nasa ano na yan, nasa business
class na. Hey, how are you?
Hello, sir. I'm happy I have a new uniform.
Yeah, nice. Your uniform.
After
So
2 years.
Goldie.
Let's go Goldie with a long zipper and a nice cap. And do we have a new menu?
Oh, let's see the new menu.
New, ha?
Oh, it's not, sir. It's not, sir. I have tortilla chips and salsa dip,
Parang yun din, ha?
which I'm using my cap for cooking that.
You're using a cup for cooking.
And then after, I put it here.
Okay, as long as it's clean.
Yes, it's clean bossing, of course.
You're sure, huh?
Sure, sir.
Is this a cooking of your mother?
Yes, sir.
Does your mother cook
Yes, sir. All the time.
all the
Are you
time?
sure? Cooking ng ina mo?
Cooking.
Oh,
Nang?
okay.
Cooking and washing of food.
Okay, ang butihing ina niya ang nag-cooking niya. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, Stewardess Zaida.